Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, as we have been watching out for lower highs here, mentioning yesterday a possible false break to the upside as we broke just above our trend line, mentioning a possible engulfing candle going into today as we were leading to Jackson Hole. Now looking to see if we can possibly bounce back above our trend line to get any possible continuation momentum back to the upside, or if we will possibly break down below our 433 again lows of the week here. I'm going to go over exactly what bulls are looking for from here to have that swing to momentum to the upside, and what bears would be looking for to get more confirmation to the downside. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, for example, today with BRSH, looking for a possible continuation with volume out the gate. And as you guys can see here, just out the gate here, as we continue down above pre-market high at $3.40, looking for that continuation all the way up to $4 here and 40 cents. A very nice continuation, a nice breakout out the gate. Go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here, looking at our daily candle structure off the bat again, looking at our engulfing candle to the downside as we continue on with lower highs again, confirming that we are continuing with lower highs since this is a bearish candle structure set up to the downside. Now looking to see if we will possibly retest our lows of the week here, again here at 433, looking for a possible continuation on lower or a possible bounce if we do continue on lower. However, from here, bulls very much looking to see if we can close back above our trend line here to get back above our 8-day. That would be that bullish case scenario. We are looking for our 8-day to get back above our 21 for that possible continuation and bounce back after the sell-off that we've been getting. So again, in my opinion, if we are looking for that swing to momentum, we want to look for that possible bullish case scenario. And again, we will know that confirmation when we do break back above our trend line to the downside here. This is the watch here as far as our swing bullish momentum. Now, as far as what bears are looking for from here, what you want to see as we have our 8-day just below our 50-day, we want to see a confirmation candle structure to the downside from here. You want a break to the downside here, a possible continuation on this break to the downside to confirm that you will continue on lower. Again, as we have a major gap up that we can possibly gap down into. Again, that confirmation off of our 8-day, curling back lower here below our resistance is going to be exactly what we're looking for. Again, resistance to the downside here at 433. Looking for that bearish candle structure will be that bearish candle play from here. If you are looking for that continuation going to tomorrow, we do have Powell speaking. So if Powell happens to speak, he's very, very bullish for any given reason, then that could be that possible inside bar open going into tomorrow for that possible bounce back above our 8-day. That will be that other bullish case scenario. Watch tomorrow. So again, either we do gap down, we look for that possible bounce back above our 8-day, or going into tomorrow, we have an inside bar open for that possible bounce back leading into next week, possibly Tuesday into Wednesday. We look for that confirmation, or we continue on lower, look for that continuation back higher leading into the end of the month. Now, the reason why, if we're looking at our weekly candle structure and our monthly candle structure, looking at our weekly candle structure as we lead into the end of the month with a large wick to the upside, showing us again that continuation on lower highs here. Now looking to see if we will hold our 21 weekly moving average. If we do continue on lower here, we can cross down below our 21 month moving average and completely have a major pullback here. However, from here, we are looking to see if we can possibly open with a candle to the upside here, in my opinion. Any possible bullish move to confirm that we will continue on below our 21 from here, as our 8 weekly moving average holds above our 21 still. So that is our psychological weekly perspective. That's what we're watching out for. And now our monthly perspective, as we sit on a large candle to the downside and we look for a possible bounce back leading into the end of the month, that would be possibly plausible here. And the reason why I say possibly is because this could be a continuation on what we are looking for as a morning star setup, possibly to the upside, or we are possibly looking for that wick to the downside going into next week to the downside for that possible bounce back and consolidated move for that proof of concept to continue on back higher. That's what we're watching out for, in my opinion. Overall, what we want to see here is bullish candle structure on our weekly chart. We want to close back above our 8-day on our daily chart to show that we are going to continue back higher. Again, swing momentum will be determined on our 12 and our 26, in my opinion, from our MACD, looking for that possible cross back higher will be the watch. And as we drop into lower lows here on our MACD, we are cautious, even though we do have that decrease in sell pressure, that continuation on decrease in sell pressure, looking for that confirmation to show that we are going to continue on with that strength is what we're watching out for here. That will be that confirmation, in my opinion, guys. This will be the watch. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers you want to be watching, we had very nice runners today for a very volatile market that we had leading into Jackson Hole. Again, be cautious. Powell will be speaking 35 minutes after market opens tomorrow, actually. But again, be cautious. We will see exactly how we close leading into next week to show where our swing term momentum will be heading. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.